Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, the beginning of this was obviously a joke. I look absolutely crazy and I'm aware of it, but I thought it was funny. This look is going to be inspired by the Zoey Fortnite skin. I'm going to be teaching you how to snatch your man back from Fortnite. Just wear this makeup and he'll love it, and he'll be like, oh, what's Fortnite? And he'll be like, yeah, that's right. I'm kidding. But yeah, this look is inspired by her. I didn't incorporate green into it just because I wanted to keep it more on the wearable side rather than just like a crazy makeup look. I really like how the wing liner came out. I think it looks super cool. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below and turn on your post notifications because I'm uploading every day until July 21st, which is my birthday. Don't forget it. So if you want to like be nice to me for my birthday, like subscribe. If you want to see how I got this Fortnite Zoey skin inspired makeup look, then please just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started on this Fortnite makeup look. This is obviously not like the makeup that the girl wears. I'm just doing a look that is like inspired by like her outfit. So I already have like my foundation and my concealer on and it's already set. I'm just gonna go to eyes first before I do the rest of my face. And I'm taking this shade, I think it's from Morphe. No, Makeup Geek? I think it's Makeup Geek. It's called Magical Magenta. It's just this like pink shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. You know, she wears pink, so we have to do a little bit of pink somewhere. And then just take a clean brush and blend the edges. And then I'm gonna take this shade, let me see what it's called. It's Glamorous. I'm gonna take this shade Glamorous. Also from Makeup Geek, this one right here, it's like a shimmer pink. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna kind of like try to do a cut crease with it, but like not like an actual cut crease. I'm just gonna try to make the shadows look like I did that. Just take that brush and blend out the crease. Also just gonna take that pink shade on my lower lash line. Only like halfway from the outer corner. And then I'm gonna take this shade right here called Pink Silk, this one. And I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna be doing a winged liner with this white liner. It's from L'Oreal. This color doesn't work very well on eyeshadow. I'm gonna just like wait for that to dry a little and try to do another layer of it. You draw it out on the back of your hand first. You're gonna waste a lot of product, but it makes it work better. I'm gonna try to make this eyeliner like a candy cane. You know what I mean? Like that girl, like Chopper, she's like, and it's like candy cane. It's like a circle, like a lollipop or something, whatever. But I don't have red eyeliner and I couldn't find any. I'm just gonna take a red liquid lip, put them on my hand, and use a pencil brush. Stripes is more like Christmas, so we might just outline it. Or just do like a line on the top. So let's just outline it on the top. If you want to be like this girl for Halloween or something, you could do this look. This look is like wearable, but at the same time, it's still like cool and like unique. I like it a lot actually. I like this wing, I think it's super cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on mascara and I'll be right back. And then I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. And that is it for this Fortnite inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This video is obviously like a joke, like not the makeup part, but like the beginning, like that was a joke. And I hope you laughed at it because I look nuts. Turn on your post notifications because I'm uploading every day until July 21st, which is my birthday. You don't want to miss out, so make sure you stick around and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!